And this video review is for the Filterbuy 1620X5 replacement whole house air filters. And this is for your furnace, your HVAC system, and it's really going to be awesome. The actual size for these is 15.38 inches, 19.75 by 4.38 inches. Compatible with a bunch of different HVAC systems, but you can see that this is a MERV 11 synthetic media that protects the house from pets, allergies, and more by trapping 95% of the airborne particles without impacting airflow. So as I replace this old one, you can see just the old one has so much just gunk and dust and everything on it that's been floating through the air. So what you're trying to do is remove all that. So these are overdue for a replacement, and it's time to just slide out the old one and then slide in the new one. Make sure the airflow is facing the correct direction. But these are electrostatically charged, pleated, and then 100% US made. They're filters that capture more harmful particles and last 3 times longer than fiberglass models. Industrial grade beverage board frames with dual wire backing outperform standard cardboard designs. So these Filterbuy filters are really awesome and great to have in your HVAC system in your house. Can highly recommend definitely pick up a set of these.